Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're looking at something really neat for anyone into DIY audio. The Reland Sun 12V Mini Hi-Fi PAM8610 Audio Stereo Amplifier Board. This particular listing is for a pack of 10 of these little boards, which is fantastic if you have multiple projects in mind or just want some spares. What you get is a tiny amplifier board designed to take a low-level audio signal and boost it to drive speakers. It operates on a 12-volt power supply, which is super common and convenient for many applications, whether you're powering it from a wall adapter, a battery pack, or even a car's electrical system. The heart of it is the PAM8610 chip, a Class D amplifier. Class D amps are known for their efficiency, meaning they generate less heat compared to older amplifier types like Class A or AB, which is great for small form factors like this board. This efficiency also means they draw less power for a given output level, making them ideal for battery-powered projects. This board provides 2 channels of amplification, making it stereo, and it's rated at 10 watts per channel. So you're getting 2 by 10 watts of output power, which is quite respectable for its size. The mini part is definitely true. These boards are incredibly small, often just a few centimeters square, making them easy to integrate into tight spaces or hide away inside an enclosure. The hi-fi claim is interesting for such a budget-friendly, compact board. While you shouldn't expect audiophile-grade performance that competes with high-end home stereo systems costing hundreds or thousands for its size and price, the PAM8610 chip is generally well regarded for providing surprisingly clean and clear audio quality. It typically offers low distortion and a decent signal-to-noise ratio, certainly a significant step up from the tiny amplifiers often built directly into low-cost devices or microcontrollers. It's capable of driving small to medium-sized bookshelf speakers or full-range drivers effectively. Because it's 12V and compact, the possibilities for using this board are pretty wide. People commonly use these for building custom portable Bluetooth speakers, upgrading the sound in small radios or boomboxes, creating compact desktop audio systems with passive speakers, or even integrating audio into hobby projects like robotics, arcade cabinets, or interactive displays. The 10 watts per channel is enough to drive many common small speakers to a respectable volume for personal listening or filling a small room. Getting 10 of these boards in one go, as offered in this lot, is a real advantage for makers and DIY enthusiasts. It significantly lowers the per unit cost compared to buying them individually and means you don't have to reorder every time you start a new project. You can experiment with different builds, create multiple devices, or even have backups if something goes wrong during installation or testing. Like any bare amplifier board, you'll need to provide a clean 12V power supply. Voltage range is usually a bit flexible, but 12V is optimal for 10W output, an audio input source, like a phone, MP3 player, Bluetooth receiver module, or computer sound card, and connect it to appropriate speakers. Proper wiring, especially for power and speaker connections, is important for both performance and safety. Adding input capacitors and potentially a volume control potentiometer are common modifications or additions users make depending on their specific application. The board itself is quite simple, usually just requiring power, audio in via a 3.5mm jack or solder pads, and speaker connections via screw terminals or solder pads. Overall, for DIYers, makers, or anyone looking for an affordable and efficient way to add stereo amplification to a project, these PAM8610 boards are a very popular choice. Getting them in a 10-pack like this Reland Sun offering makes it even more appealing from a cost perspective, providing plenty of boards for multiple builds. They offer a good balance of size, power, efficiency, and sound quality for many common audio applications where space and budget are considerations.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.